kids, this is Nadia Ma from Admeet and welcome to Admeet Online Art Sessions. And we are almost finishing our this month's theme, which is Incredible India. It is quite sad for me because I really want to work on this more and more. So no problem, even though if this month's theme is ending, we will be getting some new excited theme for the next month. And also you can always work on this month's theme whenever you get time. You can probably create some more exciting things about India, about the Indian culture, tradition, everything. So you can work on your own and you can always share the pictures with your beautiful, pretty faces in Google Classrooms, okay? And coming back to this worksheets which we are doing today. So we have worksheet 13 and 14. So in worksheet 13, we will be doing a pencil sketch of the tiger. Wow. Anyone likes tiger or anyone hates tiger because it's a carnivorous animal? No? Yes, good. So now talking about the tiger, it's our national animal. So talking about the worksheet 13 and 14. So in worksheet 13, we will be drawing, we will be using graphite pencils to create a pencil shading of a tiger. Of course, we all know that tiger is our national animal. Why is tiger a national animal? Why not lion? Because lion is the king of jungle, but why not lion? Is that an interesting question or is that a boring question? Though, if it is boring or interesting, but I want the answers, I'll be waiting for your answers. I want different kinds of answers. Let me see who will answer this properly. So in our next class, I'll be just asking you why is the tiger our national animal and why not lion? Okay, so please prepare for the answers, and now we will talk about the worksheets wherein we will be doing a pencil shading of the tiger, where you will be learning about the texture, the hair texture, wherein it comes in a gradient sheet from light to dark or dark to light, and you will be learning how to form the hair of the animal and the face anatomies, everything you will be knowing about in this worksheet. And going to worksheet 14, you will be drawing a dancing lady. So it's dancing lady means not any other dance, of course, it is our Indian dance, which is Bharatanatyam. So two Bharatanatyam girls, like it's like an abstract one, and you cannot see most of the details like the face or the jewels or the dress properly. So it will be an abstract art that's really beautiful. And so to create this two girls dancing, so we will be using our oil pastels, and we will be smudging it to create the smooth effect of the abstract. So basically we are doing an abstract in oil pastels. So kind of different. Yes, come, let's go start something new and something different.
Hello kids, so in this worksheet we're going to need a sharpened pencil, eraser, sharpener and a ruler, and we need our 2B and 4B pencil and our cotton bud. Remember to write your name and your teacher's name, do not forget that. So now how do we draw a tiger? So first I have drawn a straight line, and with that I have got a symmetry. So I have divided the face into left hand side and the right hand side. I'm making it equally. So now in the first I'm drawing the shape of the tiger's face, and I'm making sure that both the left hand side and the right hand side is equal. Both the left hand and the right hand is equal. And now I'm just making the shape of the nose. Just making the shape of the nose. Okay, so now let's move on to the second step. So whatever we did in the first step, we will be repeating it again. First we will make the outside shape of the face, and then we will make the shape of the nose. So I'm just making it lighter, more lighter. I have erased all the extra pencil marks which is not required. And now I'm making the sketch more precise. So I want a perfect ear and a perfect nose and the shape of the eyes, everything in detail. So I'm making the sketch for that. So first we will make a basic sketch using our HB pencil, and then we will start shading with our 2B pencil and 4B pencil. Remember to use the different shades for the different value. It is always important to show the values of the shades. If we want a lighter shade, we will use a lighter pencil, and if we want a darker shade, we will use a higher value darker pencil. And now I am making the detailings of the nose and the eyes, as we can see in the image. Yeah, isn't it pretty simple? So now we have done with the sketch part. So now we will be moving on to our final step, where we will repeat all the steps again. So first I have made the symmetry, and then I'll be drawing the shape of the face again with the ears, and I have made a chin, and then I'm giving the shape of the face for the tiger. Then I'm making the shape of the nose over here and the mouth, making it lighter, and then I'm giving more detailings like how we did in the previous step. So I'm doing a precise perfect ears and eyes and nose and the chin, and also I'm making a line where we have to add the fur of the tigers. So this is the part where we concentrate more on detailing. This is still a basic sketch which we are doing, so we still have a lot to do. Basic sketches completed, and I'm sharpening my pencil. Make sure your pencil is sharp enough to draw and to shade. Whenever you are doing a shading pencil sketch, it is always important to have a sharpened pencil. And now wherever you can see the darker fur, I'm using a 4B pencil, and wherever you can see the lighter fur, I'm using a 2B pencil. So on the top of the head, I used my 4B pencil. I created a darker shade, the structure of the hair, and then I am blending it with my cotton bud. So I'll be doing the same thing for all the darker lines or the darker hair structure which we have got there. So see, as soon as I finish one line, I'm taking my cotton bud and I'm spreading it out. I'm giving the detailings for the ear now. So now I am making the eye part. The eye has to be dark enough, and also remember to give the eyeballs and the shade inside. Now I'm giving the detailings of the nose now, and the mouth as well. So it is just a small single line. So now we can see that we have got our tiger. So almost it is done. So we just have to add the fur part. So once we add the fur part, then it will be completed. So I'm just giving the highlights for the nose, giving the shade, and now I'm adding the fur part. So for that, first we have to give a darker shade for the base, and then we have to do it with our 4B pencil, and we have to start giving the fur of the tiger. So I'm just adding some small strokes. Far as nothing but small strokes which we will be adding. So make sure even you do the same thing, and make sure you use only one side. So I'm going from left to right, and I'm not coming back from right to left for the fur. So it is only from left to right and left to right. If we are going from right to left, it has to be right to left. So we cannot come back again to make this fur. It will look odd. So this is the right way to do it. Please observe carefully. Just adding the fur part all over the face of the tiger as seen in the reference image. We are almost completed now. So I'm just erasing the extra pencil marks which is there outside the tiger's face, and I'm making it a nice and neat strokes for the tiger. So now you can see we have got our tiger very nice and neat, isn't it? So I hope you people are doing it with me and you people are also getting the same result. Keep practicing, kids. And remember, art is always a good start. See you in the next session.